Hello, we are happy to have you here to watch a short demo on Email Scrappy. To start with, copy the domain you want our tool to extract emails from and paste it on the input box here. Once done, please be patient for a minute or so for our amazing tool to search and find every single email available on the domain that you have just sent it. Our priority is quality over quantity. The results, once displayed, can be reviewed and exported as a CSV file for offline use. You can go and try looking up a new domain. Have fun.